In this video, I will tell you how are given answers of Bitlabs survey. It is very important to keep in mind during survey that you have to answer each question according to your account profile, for example, location, education, age, and material status. I am sharing Bitlabs survey answers so that everyone not give the same answer to every question during Bitlabs survey. So if you did not subscribe my channel yet, subscribe it and press the bell notification for more videos. Here you can see the Bitlabs website is open to taking survey. As soon as the survey starts, me will be quiet and request you to read each question carefully, and when you get the Bitlabs survey, answer according to your profile and earn money. So Bitlabs survey is about to start, so stay with me and know how does the questions